Hello, in this video I will show you how you can use Google Pay on Google Pixel 10. First of all, you have to enable NFC, so to do it, open the settings. From here go to connected devices and open connection preferences. Now open NFC and you can turn on NFC by using this switcher. After that go to the contactless payments and here you can select payment method so select it for the Google Wallet. If you have no Google Wallet in the payment methods section, you have to download it from the Google Play Store by searching for the Google Wallet phrase. You can download it from here. After that, open the Google Wallet and you have to add your payment card by clicking over here. Now you can scan your credit card from two sides of your card, or also you can enter details manually by clicking here. You can enter every information about your credit card, like card number and other stuff, every information about your payment card. After that, click on Save and Continue, and your credit card should be appears on the main page of the Google Wallet. So after that, you will be able to pay by using your Google Pixel 10. So basically that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe this channel.